And then it happens. One day you wake up and you're in this place. A place where your heart is calm. Your vision is clear. And your soul is filled with passion. You're at peace. Peace with what you've been through. Peace with where you are. And peace